We got the Hex Pan out. I've actually been wanting to use the Hex Pan for quite some time now. I have a spot scratched out right here on the bedrock. This thing's pretty durable, it's pretty thick, heavy duty. It'll last you a while. Let's go ahead and get it started. So there's 3 phases to this pan. Treat this pan just like you would any other pan, a circular pan. You're going to do the same stratification. You're going to shake it in circles. Alright, so now we got this thing all stratified. So we're going to start with the bigger ripples first. You're going to work it all down here, and you're just going to pan it straight. You're going to take your time with it. No rush. Take your time and enjoy some nature. We got some gold in the corner already. Look at that piece of gold right there in the corner. Nice little piece of wire. Awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this up. Circular stratifications, no matter what kind of pan you're using. So we're starting to get down to the bottom of the pan now. I'm really excited. Take our time, no rush. We've already worked the heavy duty ripples right here. So now what we want to do is, since we've worked our material down, is we want to move to the next size. Now this micro ripples is going to be the one that's going to catch all the small for it. Let's go ahead and move it to the micro ripples now. We actually got a decent amount on that one. Some good pieces. I'm seeing some good gold in here. We got left a little bit too much behind. Not a bad recovery. And look how small some of these pieces are, man. As you can see, you get it all down into the corner like this. Done. Just like that. You just cleaned all your gold up. Alright. So your Hex Pan is pretty much like a all-in-one mining, cleanup, collecting, everything. It's all in one. It's a great pan. It's heavy duty. It's a thick pan. It'll last you a long time. So let's talk about the Hex Pan. It's super heavy duty. It's great and versatile. You got these ripples to help you work with any kind of material that you're going to be using. No problem. Could you use this in a small creek? Absolutely. So when you have these circular pans, it makes it a little difficult to pan in a small puddle somewhere because it's rounded and it tends to want to dig into the ground when you're trying to fluff your material out of it. They're a great pan, but the times are changing. And it's time to get over those things and get you one of these Hex Pans. They're amazing. This thing, I want to say you're putting probably a quarter of the effort. It pretty much does all the work for you. Super helpful with these micro riffles because you're not having to sit there and take your material down as far as you can before you do your reveal. This thing, it'll reveal itself for you. Pretty cool little experience. I highly suggest you go out and purchase one of these. If you're curious to know where you can purchase one of these at, you can get one of these at Adventures in Prospecting on Montgomery Street here in Orville. Or you can order them online on adventuresinprospecting.com. They're very affordable. Thank you for joining me today. Hope to see you next time.